Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily translate your audio captions or your subtitles in Descript. Ladies and gentlemen, let's say you want to take your captions over here. You can see this is where we're at, and we would like to translate them automatically. On the right hand side, simply go to AI Tools. As we scroll down over here, you will see the Repurpose tab and you'll find Translate. Go ahead, click on this. You can now see that there's a translate script. So we'll see language. Go ahead, choose the language that you'd like to choose. I'm going to choose this one. Choose the style. So we can either match timing or we can do a direct translation. It depends on which is going to be working better. So maybe try both of them, see what actually works. You can also dub the speech over here, so this language doesn't support the dub, as well as the lip sync, but you can just turn them on if the language is supported. Now, once you're done, you're going to go and click on Submit. Your translation over here will now happen automatically, and you can do this for multiple video clips, and you can also do this for multiple languages. Okay, so on the top over here, you will see it says original, which will be English. We'll have our first language, our translation, and then we can click on new translation and you'll be able to see all of it here in one list.